Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 30th of August. We did a shoulder slide push pin, a sway block walk around, a windmill and a Balboa cross. If you need any help with those moves from a teaching point of view, there are links in the description below to the teaching clips for each of the moves, and this reminder will show you how they were joined together. So we started left to right for the shoulder slide push pin, and it went 7 and 8. We went a back, latch, spin, caught right for the sway block, block and out, a block and out, went into the sway on the third one, did the sway, came forwards, away into the windmill. We went right up, left up, right up, left up, then the Balboa cross. We came in, a twist and step, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3. Just send the weight, slide away, and you're done. And that was it. I hope you find that helpful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. And like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I say it every time, but we really do appreciate everyone who does that because it helps promote what we're doing. And of course, if you've got the notification bell on, it also makes sure that you know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation is something nice to practice to on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.